So that is the central amenities of the Solanaea. So we are at the Tower 3. That is the Tower 1. That is the Tower 2. And this is the Tower 3. And the one that building is Avalon. And that is the Ayala Mall. That is the Sida Hotel. And the one that is ongoing construction is also an hotel, developed and operated by the Cebuland Masters. So that is Ayala Mall. So across, that's the road, Avalon and Ayala Mall across. And the one that is ongoing construction, that one is the Lucima. And you have a little view of the body of water over there. And that is the Mactan Island there. That area over there is Mandawi City. And also we are at the balcony of this 2-bedroom unit here at Solanaea. So this is the balcony view. That's the balcony view. We are almost at the top floor of this tower. So we will go to the bedroom. This is the living area and the dining area, and that is the kitchen. A very big kitchen for this unit, spacious kitchen. And we will go to the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom. The same view with the balcony. Take a look inside of this. And we will go to the common toilet and bathroom. Is here. Here is the shower. And this is the master's bedroom. The master's bedroom with toilet and bathroom. And from this master's bedroom, we can see a lot of buildings here, buildings from IT Park, and also the Ayala Mall, the Metro supermarket and department store, and also the mountain of Busay there. So let me point you something. That is a condominium developed by Robinsons, the brown one, and the green one is also a condominium, the Paget, and the white one, that one is the Trillium. It's also a condominium. And we can see from here the City Lights, condominium, as well as the Marco Polo condominium. And there, the building there is the Liminda in Busay. So right in front of this unit, we can see the Ayala Mall and the Avalon. So this is a two-bedroom unit, two-bedroom condo unit. And this is the master's toilet and bathroom. So this is a shared common areas of the Solonea. So all of the unit owners can come here and enjoy this place. So from towers 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, they can use this 25th floor amenities. So this is just a real quick here. So there is a sunset viewing deck here. You can see the Cebu Business Park below, and you can see the CSTLX here, the Cordova Cebu bridge there. That's the CCLX bridge. And you can see here the Mango, the midtown of Cebu City. That's the midtown. Gorordo Avenue there. And you can see the Mango Avenue. And also the Cebu Business Park. That's the suites of Gorordo Tower. So this is the viewing deck.